Now we'll take a look at some examples of factor by grouping. When we use the grouping technique to factor, we hope that we end up with two products as we have here that have a common binomial factor. Notice how this product has a factor of x minus 3, and this product also contains a factor of x minus 3. So what we're going to do is factor out the common binomial factor. So our common binomial factor is x minus 3, and notice that we'd be left with x plus 2. This is normally the last step when we factor by grouping. But the whole idea is that for factor by grouping to work, we do need a common binomial factor. To do this, we're going to have either 4 or 6 terms in our polynomial. We're going to divide the polynomial in half. So we have 2 terms on the left and 2 terms on the right. And then we're going to factor these 2 terms and these 2 terms separately in hopes of having a common binomial factor. So remember, the first step in any factoring problem is to identify the greatest common factor. Well, the greatest common factor of 8x cubed and 12x to the second would be 4x to the second. So we're going to have 4x to the second, and then we'll see what we're going to have left. Well, if we factor out 4x squared from 8x cubed, we're left with 2x. If we factor out 4x squared from 12x to the second, we'd be left with 3. Now the hope is that we're going to have another binomial factor over here of 2x minus 3. Notice the greatest common factor of negative 6x and 9 would be 3. But since we want a binomial factor of 2x minus 3, we're actually going to factor out negative 3. So if we factor out negative 3 from negative 6x, we'd be left with 2x. If we factor out negative 3 from positive 9, we'd be left with negative 3. Now let's go ahead and check this. This would be negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to positive 9. And that's good news because notice how we now have a common binomial factor of 2x minus 3. So now we'll go ahead and factor out the binomial factor of 2x minus 3. And notice how we'd be left with the quantity 4x squared minus 3. And now we've factored the given polynomial using the grouping technique. Let's go and take a look at one more. Again, notice how we have 4 terms, so we're going to divide this in half. We're going to factor the left side and then factor the right side and hope that we have a common binomial factor. So the greatest common factor of 3z to the third minus 3z to the second would be 3z to the second. We'd be left with z minus 1. And now looking at the right side, notice that z and 1 don't share any common factors other than 1. But we do have to factor something out, so we'll go ahead and factor out a positive 1. So we'll have plus 1, and of course we're left with just z minus 1, which again is good news because notice how we have another common binomial factor of z minus 1, which we'll now factor out. So we'll have the quantity z minus 1 times whatever's left, which would be 3z squared plus 1. And now we have the factored polynomial. And again, if we want to check any of these, we can just multiply them out. So you may want to do that just to verify that we've factored these correctly.